one of the focuses of our session this morning was on the AI Act, the medical device regulations, the in vitro diagnostic device regulations, but how they intersect with the new requirements of the AI Act. So every time a new legislation comes along, obviously industry has to recalibrate, the notified bodies have to recalibrate, the platform providers have to recalibrate. Having data which is actually extending beyond individual devices, extending from the health system to manufacturers, from manufacturers to the health systems, where we can actually have a mini revolution in 5 years, bigger in 10 years, in terms of the complete way that we see the data within the medical device space.
The most innovation is lying in the artificial intelligence. That would be the major innovation in all aspects, not only for medical device, also in the pharmaceutical industry.
Technologies that enable patients to assist in the treatment of their diseases. So use of a cell phone to track your disease, to take steps to improve the outcomes of your treatment is definitely something that works quite well with lowering the cost of healthcare and improving the patient outcomes.
Data collection, so the analysis of a massive amount of clinical data through systems like real-world data collection using digital tools. This will be super important for the future. And using AI for the analysis of this amount of data. We need to align the regulation to the technology innovation, and it takes time for doing that. Europe is still a very nice market for innovating despite the regulation and despite the cost that you have to spend for maintaining the compliance to this regulation. But the environment and the companies, the institutions are there, and they are used to support the progress in the healthcare.
It's going to be absolutely without hesitation a medical device that use AI, which is the most hot topic. Those who can use AI and those who can go through this AI Act and the regulation, in particular for ophthalmology sector, it looks like promising. The MDR is challenging. I hate to say that because it's more challenging than the FDA, than the US actually.
As always, regulatory changes, more digitalization of healthcare, and then of course further integration of AI into the different devices, and especially with companies that have never been dealt with software or the challenges that new technology brings with it.
I can feel that more and more there is that demand to make everything more easier and to be more flexible. And if we want to be competitive on the market, we have to ask for the change.